Hello, my name is Donavan, and today I will be speaking to you about the chemistry of catalytic converters. Global warming is the world's most pressing issue. It is caused by the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, when burned, create many harmful gases. Catalytic converters are there to counter the effects of those harmful gases by rendering them inert. Catalytic converters are attached from anything from coal plants to vehicles. Catalytic converters in cars are located at the front. They contain a ceramic mesh, as shown here, that is coated with many precious materials that act as catalysts. These catalysts initiate redox reactions, which split the reactants into their core components, such as carbon monoxide, which is split into carbon and oxygen, which is then reassembled as carbon dioxide, which is much safer and better for the environment. Even thought it is a major greenhouse gas, at least it is not toxic like the carbon monoxide. Nitrous oxide is also reduced to its core components, as it is very harmful for the world around us, as it is a contributor to acid rain, which damages plants and animals' habitats. Now, nitrous oxide is reduced into nitrogen, which is completely harmless in the air, and into oxygen, another harmless gas. And finally, the unburnt hydrocarbons are also reduced into their key components and reassembled as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water, as unburnt hydrocarbons are the lead contributor to smog, which causes many breathing conditions and ailments. Catalytic converters are extremely valuable due to the rare minerals they contain. They contain platinum, palladium, gold, and rubidium. These catalysts, along with the increased heat and pressure, cause reactions that would not occur naturally or otherwise. As catalysts are not used up in reactions, it makes them ideal for the catalyst, as they are not required to be refilled and renewed in order for the reactions to continue, and in fact last a very long time and only need to be cleaned every once in a while, as lead can build up upon the mesh, preventing contact with the catalysts and thus amplifying the effects of the catalyst converter. Finally, catalytic converters were invented in the 1950s by Eugene Houdry after he reviewed an article on the cause of smog and the effects of smog on the human body, especially focusing in the area of San Francisco. The catalytic converter he invented continued to get refined until finally in the 80s and 70s, the Canadian and American governments enforced laws that made it so that all vehicles must contain a catalytic converter in order to pass emissions tests. That's all. Thanks for watching.